Hi everybody, this is Laura. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel. Today I have an unboxing of the January My Creative Scrapbook Limited Edition kit. First, I'm going to show you all of the beautiful papers that we received this month, and then I'll show you everything else that comes in this month's kit. The papers are from a Prima Marketing collection called the French Blue Collection by Frank Garcia. I find that Frank Garcia always has such beautiful themes and images in his collections, and I always love his color palettes. I always find them to be unusual and very beautiful, and this one is no different. So I'm going to start off with this beautiful paper. I think this would be a great paper to use as a background, even though it has a lot of details on it. It has this area over here. I think that could be used for a photo cluster. I love the themes in this collection. There are themes of music, there are themes of sewing, and there are lots of butterflies and florals as well. On the other side, we have sheet music going in different directions and some blue dots overlaid on that sheet music. Here we have an entire sheet of tags. There is a sketch this month for My Creative Scrapbook that has tags on it, so I thought I would try using some of those tags for that sketch. And then on the other side is a beautiful background paper. It's going to be hard to choose because I really love this paper. There are some flowers, there's some ledger paper, and I love the grays and pinks. Here's another paper that has some images that can be fussy cut out, or of course you could use this as a background paper as well. I love all of these florals and this old-fashioned typewriter here. Here's a keyboard. I like this detailing down here and this pretty lady with the flowery fancy hat. On the other side is a gorgeous floral. I love all of the flowers and the butterflies, and then there's some really pretty writing in the background too. Here's another great page to use for a background, or it could be used for lots of other things too. It has the typewriter, it has the Eiffel Tower, and then I like the way it has this image that has to do with music. It says pianos, and it looks like the beginning of organs, and then lots of florals on a cream colored background. On the other side, we have sheet music with some pink stripes overlaid on top. Here we have some 3 by 4 inch cut aparts with lots of beautiful images on them. I love the dress form. That's a theme that we see throughout this collection. Some more butterflies, flowers. There's that lady again, and we have the typewriter and the phonograph. On the other side, there's this beautiful paper. I love the way this looks kind of like wallpaper, but it also reads as a solid, so I think there'll be lots of things this could be used for. It's a great neutral color. Here's another gorgeous paper. I love this detailing over here and the flowers, the phonograph, the dress form, butterflies, and then lots of sheet music and a keyboard. I also like this border down here. On the other side of that, we have a pattern with a typewriter and some florals. And again, some script writing in the background. Here's another sheet with lots of images that could be fussy cut out. We have a layering piece over here with some butterflies on it, an envelope with a note inside, a beautiful frame. I love the flowers that are inside the frame, the Eiffel Tower. We have this beautiful lady with the long hair, another butterfly, and some more pieces that could be cut out and used for layering pieces. And then on the other side of this one, we have this really beautiful print. I love the way it has the combination of pinks and blues, lots of butterflies, lots of flowers. We also received 2 sheets of this paper. This has lots and lots of tickets that could be cut out on the left-hand side. Here we have some pieces that could be cut out and made into pockets and spots to tuck things into. There are some butterflies. We have lots of flowers here. And then there are also a number of other images, tickets, a layering piece. This looks like the front of a card catalog, and you might not even know what that is, but they used to have that years ago in the library, and then some other layering pieces. On the other side, we have this really pretty floral print. I love the pink, and I love the way along the edge there are some pink and blue tickets. So those are all the papers we received in the kit, and now I'm going to show you everything else. We received 2 ephemera packs in this month's kit. This is the first ephemera pack. It has 60 pieces. There are 2 of each image. I'm just going to go through the images with you quickly. So here we have a typewriter with some florals. Here is a ephemera piece that has some music on it, music notes on it, and it has the beautiful gold foiling that you could see throughout this collection. Here is the image of the woman with the really pretty hat again, the envelope with the letter in it. Here are some dress forms. We have the keyboard over here, or the piano keys, and then we have some layering pieces. This one has butterflies. These have some writing on them, and there are some smaller sentiments over here, and this one is a postcard. We have a card catalog front here. This looks like the metal plate that used to go on the front of them. I'm sure they were on other things, but that's what I remember them from. And then we have lots of butterflies, some florals, and then some tickets. These tickets are all connected, which I really like. And then here we have a pink ticket with some gold foiling. This is the second of the 2 ephemera packs that we receive in the January kit. This second pack of ephemera has 42 different pieces, and there are 2 of each image. Oh, there are some blue butterflies. We have 2 different styles of tags. I love this image. This is also in one of the pattern papers. I think it's so pretty. Here are some other really beautiful flowers as well. I love this glass dome. And then there are some other small layering pieces. I love the way they're all different colors. Here we have the alphabet. This is in gold foiling. It also has some numbers on the bottom. We have a postcard here. Here we have a bottle with some typewriter oil in it, perfect for the typewriter images that we've seen throughout this kit. Here we have a sketch of, I think it's a tulip. I definitely don't know my flowers, but I think that might be a tulip. We have some sheet music, a small flower over here, and then we have these pretty birds. I love adding birds to my layouts. And then here we have this ephemera piece, and then yet another one over here. And I like the way they are slightly different colors. I think that that helps the layout to look even more interesting. So those are all of the pieces in the second ephemera pack. This month we received this stencil. I love the way this stencil has stitching on it. I think that goes so well with the dress forms and the other sewing related images on the pattern papers. We also received this beautiful chipboard set. I really like getting chipboard. I think that it can really elevate a layout to the next level. And so I was so happy to see these 3 beautiful butterflies, and just look at these scrolls. I think that these are just so gorgeous. We also got stickers this month. The gold foiling in this sticker set goes so nicely with the gold foiling in the pattern papers. We also received a piece of lace, and I think that the lace also will go great with the lace images that are on the pattern papers. So we received lots of embellishments this month, but I'm not done yet. I want to show you the gorgeous flowers. I just wanted to mention that at the very end of this video, I have images of the layouts that I made using this kit. So if you would like to see those, you could see those at the very end of the video. We received 3 beautiful packs of Prima flowers. This first set of flowers has lots of colors, or lots of shades of pink, and they have these beautiful gold centers that I think will go great with the pattern papers. And then there are some leaves in the background as well, some nice large leaves that can be used on the layouts too. Here we have a pink, a blue, and a off-white flower with some buds in the same color, some leaves, and they have this beautiful yellow center that I think will add a nice pop of color to some layouts. And then here we have a pack of 15 flowers that are a little bit more on the smaller side, but they have some gold centers and they're the perfect colors. And I always like to have a variety of different sizes of flowers to make flower clusters come together a little bit more easily. So that is everything that we received in this month's kit. Please don't forget to stay tuned until the very end because the images of the layouts that I made are coming up in just a moment. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that this was helpful. If you're a subscriber to My Creative Scrapbook, you should be receiving your kit very soon. And if you're interested in becoming a subscriber, please check out the links in the description box where you can view the current kits and purchase a subscription if you would like. I hope that you have a fantastic day and I hope to see you again soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.